Hey peeps, y'all see it. Tuesday, terrific Tuesday, 11:34 on the p.m. a.m. But when they start doing stuff like that, when you like uploading a video, that's crazy. That's crazy. They just started this. Not this. Just started popping up. Now it's gonna. I think it's gonna change. But that's my second time seeing like 40 minutes, 60 minutes. Yeah, but I'm uploading the video, y'all. And today is the 21st. But by the time y'all see this footage, it'll be y'all been a seen it. The 21st been a came and went. But I was just like, when they started saying 60 minutes, 40 minutes. And then I thought that's actually how long it was going to take until it did that and switched. But I'm like, why do that even pop up? So I guess they done like upgraded, updated the way they doing this too. Yeah, but alright. I just had to share that. Y'all know how I am. I got to share all the little like, what? All the discombobulation and the shenanigans. Y'all already know I see you when I see you. Peace. Hey peeps. Still Tuesday. Terrific Tuesday. At 12:46 in the p.m. So I got a package. Y'all already know. I hadn't probably fit a call. Okay.
Call from Handy.
Okay, peeps, I'm back. What time is it now? 1:11. I just made the mop water. That's done. I gotta clean my stove. First, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. Then I clean my stove. So, this is what we got. It's so pretty, and y'all see the birds, the leaves. This is so cute. Flowers, butterflies. That is so pretty. But what I got it for is for my coloring pencils, y'all. I got me a case. Kind of like, it's a little bigger because I have a lot of coloring pencils. Oh, okay. And it got a handle. Oh, here got a handle. Y'all see that handle? It's cool. And got a little pocket. I know the coloring pencils and stuff I'm using now, I will put them right here. But this is Yummy Travel. So they do this. And you just stick them down up in here. So I'm going to be doing that today. I got a lot of, yes, this is the last one. This one, this one, this one. This one, this one, this one, this one. So I'm going to put all my coloring pencils. I'm uploading the video. This one is cool too. But for my markers, I like this. This will trigger me to do it for my coloring pencils though. But these colors I'm using now. Right here. So, what we're gonna do is put the ones I'm using now right here. Should I want to go up or down? I think I want them to go down. The coloring pencils anyway. Let's sit y'all down. I know I gotta sit y'all down. I can't do everything with one hand. Even though I be trying though, y'all. I be trying. And I don't know what to say. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it said painting series. We got the Velcro right there. And see, oh, it fell back out. Oh, I got to carry it. Okay, okay. Okay, Sharon. Okay. Okay, okay. There we go. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in first. Because I was going to mix them up with this batch. But I don't want to do that because these are specifically like colors of the world colors. So I want them by themselves and together. And then we'll be putting these in. So let's see what else we got. Oh, I got the hubby some screen protectors for his phone. I put that on. This is what kind of phone he got. So we got that. And let's do the box. I got me another humidifier, and it's by these people. Because that one is complicated because I had to turn it upside down to put the water in there. I got one of these brushes. Oh, okay. Check it out, please. Oh, I need one that hold more water. It's upside down. Is it upside down? It is upside down. So this one had this one look. And it hold more water. Yep. And then it's a top load. Because my other one I had to turn it upside down. I have to take it to the back the kitchen. And then the water run out so quick. And then yeah, it's just be a whole situation. Do not add water or essential oils into the mist tube. Only add water into tank. Do not add essential oils into tank. I thought it said to do essential oils. I'll figure it out. But this is say no. Warning. See, I could fill up something and just bring it to the room. Only add essential oils to the aroma pad. Never pour water into the mist outlet. Never pour water into the base chamber. Oh. So this is the one I got now. Oh, this is the one I got now. And this small. This one I get, most of them I get can my daughter did. So she just bought her new one too. It's bad. Can y'all see that? Crane. Yeah, I think it said crane, but we ain't gonna worry about it. So I filled it up yesterday and look. And the way that this air be so dry in the whole house, so at least I be trying to like, it's on high. It blow out a lot, but I need more. And I needed to hold more water. And like when you gotta refill it, you gotta take this off, which be wet. And you gotta pick this up right and turn it upside down to put the water in. That's too much. And it's just, it be heavy. It just be heavy. So I'm gonna clean that other one. And I'm gonna use the rest of this. And I'm gonna put that one right here. Well, that's what I get. I have my humidifier, my coloring pencil case, and the hubby screen protector for his phone. So, I'm going to sit here and put these in. I'm going to show my daughter first. I'm going to show my other child number 2 my humidifier. Because she had got her one by Honeywell, but man, that thing was expensive. I'm like, I ain't trying to spend that much money on my humidifier. Nope. Alright, peeps. Y'all already know. I'll see you when I see you. Peace. Okay, y'all. It has begun. Let's see. So I did the colors of the world. My coloring pencils. These are these. And I left this spot open for the ones. I ain't gonna be able to put it in that part. So I just left this open for the ones I'm using. So I left 2 open for the colors I'll be using. And I can stick them right there. But I kind of color coordinated them. They got some very interesting colors. Yeah. Like, oh man. Medium deep rose. Can't hardly see that one. It's like a medium almond. Light medium golden. What's that? A medium deep almond. Yeah, it's some interesting colors. That's for sure. What's this one? Cause I got 4 in here, so, and I put 4 in this one. Like, these the very deep almond, extra deep rose, extra deep almond, and the deepest almond. So basically, these is almond and rose and golden, different shades. So now I'm going to get ready to put these. I took all these out, the light, starting from the lightest to the darkest. Alright, let me get her done. I still got her still here. I ain't did none yet. I'm done, peeps. Ooh. So, I got all of them up in here. Took a minute because I was trying to color coordinate them and stuff. But this one I turned them down, the lid down. This one I turned them up. I got 4 and some 3 and some like this got 3. This got 4, that got 4, that's got 4, that's got 4, 3, 3, 4. 4, yeah. And so we turn and we got these over here. We got the pinks and we got the purples. Shrimp, 4, not 10. And over here, because I don't use some of these short. We got the blues and the greens. And then we turn, we got the greens and yellows and just the browns. This is called a cool gray. How about that? So these the grays right here. And like the yellows and stuff. And this like cocoa. Look like a purple. But anyway, it's by itself. This kind of look like a purple too. It's taupe. But it's in the brown family. So, and I got still like 3 empty slots to go. So, yeah, that was pretty cool, organizing them. So let's zip it up. One of my markers fell right there. I'm hungry now. I ain't ate nothing. I ain't even had my smoothie yet. I've been doing stuff. Okay, so let me sit y'all down. Y'all already know. We got another zipper. Ooh, just pick it up like that. Y'all see it? That's pretty cool, man. I really like that. I almost was like I could put my markers up in here. But I like the case my markers came in. I really like that case. Because that's what triggered me to get this. So let me get this one up off the floor before I forget. This is one of the colors I'm using. And maybe I could put it in here now. Since I'm done organizing my coloring pencils. Because I want these metallic ones. So it's pretty cool. Along with mine. And so now I just really have this. This and this. This is cool. I like this though. I need to put stuff right there too. It's pretty cool. Like it. Alright, peeps. I got a little hungry headache, so it's time for me. I had boil my water, make me some tea. Alright, y'all already know. I see you when I see you, peeps. I'm trying to do too much. Hey, peeps. Man, it's cold out there. I just came off the porch. I'm gonna get ready to straighten my desk up. It's always discombobulated. I had brought this in. Well, it's cold. This the hubby desk for his coffee area. This is a coffee station area. Look. So we'll probably be putting that together. I'm here to show y'all how it look. I didn't even know it was delivered. Good thing I went on Amazon because I was looking for something else. And I saw that he got delivered at $12.50. And I just noticed it. I just went and got it like now. I'm like, oh, because actually it wasn't even supposed to be here this early. But I'm glad it wasn't heavy. So I'm going to show y'all what it look like. Here it go, like right here. It's like a little, what they call it? A computer desk, writing table, or whatever. I got it 39 inches. It came in these inches. Because I measured the length of the mat I bought that sit on the deep freeze is 31. So I didn't want it too long. So this gonna be for his little coffee station. Yep. And I ordered it on the 14th. So that's how much it costed. So that's pretty cool. I like the wood. I like the it's kind of like my desk. Like the wood like my desk. So and it should not be that hard to put together. It should be pretty simple. It should be pretty simple. So they'll probably be doing that this weekend. Alright, peeps. I think that's it, me and my daughters. We have our group chat today. So, video group chat. Or at 5 o'clock. So I gotta go put stuff up. Put this in the basement. I think I'm gonna keep this out. I think I'm gonna keep this out. I'm gonna keep this up here. Cause I had my like hit it on this side. Yeah, I feel like I can put some of this in there now. My index cards and my markers. Oh, that really was for my yeah. Well, I guess that's it. I can sit that in there. Move that back over there. Yeah. I'm gonna get back to cricketing. Kinda ready because I got a few some of my letters is coming off some of my things, and I found something else I wanna do. I'm gonna be cricketing puzzling. I had some Pringles. I'm drinking on some tea. Oh, gotta throw that away. Take that back there. I switched this one out because it was too small. I put that one on there. I want to get that one. That's pretty. I was like, I need to get me some more reds. I got a lot of black and whites. So I ain't got a lot of red and blacks and reds. Okay, I think that's it, peeps. That's all I want to show y'all. So, I'm going to take this in the kitchen. And it's so cold. It don't even make no sense. My smoothie stuff. And my little dishes. I got stuff everywhere. Because what I ate some Spam. This is what I ate. It should be in here. Yeah. There it is. Yep. And eggs. Well, that's what I ate. And some Pringles. That's it. So I gotta wash my skillet. I gotta wash my stove. And this is the Spam I had left over. It was really good. I liked it. I sliced 3 slices and chopped it up, cut it up. And I had 3 eggs scrambled with cheese and mixed together. I put some basil on it. And I put some chives on it. Give me some more chives. I put some chives on it. And I seasoned it with this, my eggs. This is what I use for my eggs. And black pepper. I put black pepper on everything, y'all. Since I can't eat hot sauce, black pepper it is. Alright, peeps. Let me get busy because 5 o'clock I'm roll around here so quick. And then I'll be running around here like a chicken with my head cut off before we do this video group chat. Alright, y'all already know. I see you when I see you. Peace.